Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this super easy makeup look, which is like simple eyes and a little bold lips, which is completely out of my comfort zone. So if you want to know how I got this look right here, then please continue watching. So first I'm going to start with primer. So this makeup look is going to be really very basic, but just for a change today I'm going to apply a little bold lip color. So first I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer. So I'm going to apply this primer first, and then I'm going to move on to my concealer. So now I'm going to take my Swiss Beauty Cover Studio Concealer palette, and I'm going to use the orange shade out of it, this one. So I'm just going to apply that with my fingertip, and I'm going to apply that under my eye and on the dark areas on my face. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this one's in the shade 128 Warm and Nude Beige, and I'm going to take some amount on my hand like this, and then I'm going to apply that with my Maybelline Master Brush. I'm going to take some amount on the brush and then start applying it. So now I am going to apply my Stars Cosmetics translucent powder, and I'm not going to bake it, just slightly apply it and dust off the excess powder. So now I'm just going to spritz this Tijori Hydrating Khaskhas face mist on my face, just to give it like a very dewy look. And I'll let it dry a little, and then I'm going to move on to my eyes. So for my eyeshadow I'm going to use this PAC's Eyebrow Cake, and it has this very nice black shade. So I'm going to apply that as my eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that with my flat angular brush. It's a very small angular brush for liner especially, and then I'm going to move on to the mascara. But to apply this I'm first going to wet my brush a little bit. So I'm going to use the same face mist and just going to spritz it on my brush so that it becomes a little wet and the color comes out very pigmented. So since I've done that, now I'm going to apply the liner now. So now I'm moving on to the blush, and I'm going to apply my Stars Cosmetics blush. It's a very nice pretty pink shade, so I'm going to use that. And then I'm going to apply my lipstick, and that's going to be the last step of this makeup. Now for the lips, I'm going to apply my Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this one's in the shade Love Bomb. And this color is like way out of my comfort zone, like I've never applied. So this is the first time I'm gonna apply this shade. So let's try it out. So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. Links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.